Mama JJ on the river. When I look into your eyes, JJ, I see a future so bright, so bold. You came into my life.
By the way, guys, this is the outfit that I've worn today. That's how it looks behind. This dress I was gifted by someone. Uh, the time was after pregnancy. Yeah, I remember the person who gifted me this dress. It's a jumpsuit. I remember the person very well who gifted me, and I'm so thankful. Now it's fitting me perfectly now because I've added weight, so it's fitting me well. So let me put on a sweater. It has been hot, so let me put on a sweater as I go out. How do I look? Born to shine since day one. Yeah, so I'm warm. So let me go out. Hi guys, good morning. Hope you're well. You slept well. Hey manze, the week has gone very, very, very fast. Like imekimbia, imekimbia. So I'm here. It's around what time? Let me tell you. It's 7:09, and we are preparing. JD, you're going to call my phone. So we have already prepared JD to go to school. And as you can see on the background, I have so much that is happening on the sitting area because it means we are moving finally. Hey, being it on a weekday, we are moving on a weekday. It's so crazy, but you guys, it is what it is. We had to move today, and we're doing a few 1, 2, 3. It was an amazing stay in this place. I enjoyed it, and I wouldn't have minded staying here for long. But there are 1, 2, 3 things. When you move in a house and then after some time, zinakubo, and you just feel like you want to move. So this is the situation in the kitchen. We have not packed everything. Some boxes we're going to throw them away. They're not going to be carried because so we have some dishes that need to be cleaned. We still have things on the drawer shelves. Hey, hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
You excited you're moving?
I am excited.
Tell my people something. Say something. This girl is happy. She came out of the market now. She's happy. Happy young girl. As we are struggling here being single, she's not singularities like us.
Like, how do you feel when you're single?
So amazing. So amazing.
You're not ashamed of yourself?
For being single?
Yeah.
No. But how can I be even ashamed of myself? See,
Guys, life is beautiful.
See, it's just the other week you got someone. You got Amshikaji and now you're telling us you're feeling shameless. Look at this young girl.
Guys, love is beautiful.
So, we have cleared everything. Things are at the place right now. We've finished with the bedroom. Now we're waiting for the kitchen. We're only remaining with the kitchen. Packing, that is. Everything else in the sitting room. Whatever I have in the sitting room, the thermoses, the flasks, the everything. We're just waiting for the boxes to come and newspapers so that we can wrap them and put them in the... We have boxes ready. Maybe I've shown you previously. We have boxes ready. So right now I'm taking breakfast. JJ has gone to school. You saw him tell you goodbye. And I was telling this guy, you're not coming back. I don't think he knows what he's saying, but I think he feels it. He feels it. So let me take breakfast and then we catch up out. Guys, good evening. I'm back home. So we literally moved out yesterday, and today is our first day in this house. We have not done everything, like we've not even finished arranging. Everything is everywhere. The sitting room is just like that. We just put the seats and the table, the dining table, the kitchen. We just arranged a few cabinets. We have not yet finished arranging, so we are still doing that.
In the sunrise, fresh air, fresh vibes. Looking how far we have come, a new era rise. God has a way of blessing us all, so we live happy, joyful, standing tall. In the background, a rumba and a hungla play. Soft, gentle rhythms guiding our way.
Guys, I'm so tired. I left home at 1:45 p.m. and it's already 3:30. That's when I'm getting to the office. Today I was on a sick leave. I was not feeling well and I'm not still feeling bad. Hi guys, good morning. I just woke up like 30 minutes ago. I'm having my breakfast. I'm having ugali with eggs, cabbage and avocado. I had dinner, guys. I already had my dinner last night. I had same thing for dinner, but I didn't have eggs on my food, so I'm having eggs. I'm feeling hungry, and a cup of black tea. Black tea. Say black tea.
Black tea.
Good boy. Black tea. Yeah. So I'm having black tea. And then I want to go in. I'm feeling so much sleepy. I slept late yesterday, catching up with a movie. But I'm planning to go in my room, lock myself in, and try edit this vlog. Why are you shouting, young man? Why? I don't know where JJ got that stingo from. Like his mom. Are you feeling cold? And then go lock myself in, edit a little, and then organize my clothes before my friends are coming. So before she lands here, I need to have finished like doing a few things so that when we're just sitting, talking, chatting, and then I'll go visit my brother's house. I live near my brother's house and I'm happy. So my mama is happy as well. She's happy that the kids are also living together. Yeah, so that's it for now. So guys, let me leave you, take my breakfast, and then